Hi, my name is Jay Sid, Business Development Manager for Stagemaker US and Canada. Today I'm going to show you how to swap out pigtails on the Stagemaker SR5 and the SR10. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we unplug it. Next thing that I've done already is I've removed some of the screws from the side end caps. You take a number 5 Allen wrench and you remove the end cap. Take notice that it does come with a tethered leash, so that if you do need to service this up in the air, your end cap stays intact to the body of the hoist. I'm going to remove my L1420 controller. Disconnect it. Set it off to the side. Then I'm going to remove L1620. Disconnect it as well. Now I'm going to take my P14 and I'm going to take and pay a little bit of attention to the side bevels. This should line up with the entry plate. Line it up and slides right in. Now I'm going to plug my P14 into the CSA plug, and I'm going to come back. Make sure that I have the right connector, my L1420. Pay attention to the beveled edge as well, and slide it on in. Now I'll go through and I'll make my connections. And I'll carefully come in and replace all my cables. Make sure that none of them are in an area where they could get pinched or where they can get in the way of other components. I'll come back, I'll line up my end plates. You can see that there's 2 notches where the end plate lines up with. Then again, I'll take my number 5 Allen wrench and I'll screw the end plate back into the body of the chain hoist. And that is how you replace pigtails on a Stagemaker SR5 in the same way it's done on an SR10. For more information, check out our website, us.stagemaker.com. Thanks for watching.